Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NaveenVBA VBA. So in today's video, we will learn how to extract numbers from a text string using VBA macro. I have created an example here in this data sheet. We have some customer name and their mobile numbers in A column. But the problem is we have such kind of data which looks to be very messy. Somewhere we have mobile number at the last, somewhere at the start. So how to extract this? If we will use some Excel based tools like text to column, then we will find some problem here. Like I have selected my data. I will go to this data ribbon, and then we have this text to column option. But if I talk about this first option, if I go to next, I do not have any parameter available which could extract these particular numbers only for me, because somewhere this is here, somewhere this is here, this is here, this. So how can this be extracted? There is no option available. Now if I go back and select this second option, and if I want to put my column break, where will I put my column break? Here? No. So I do not have any particular method or a solution here which could resolve this problem for me. How this can be done? I have created a very small VB scripting for you which will resolve this problem, and I'm hoping that you must have faced this problem in your life, guys. So if you face such kind of problem somewhere in future, then you could use this method. So I am going to create one UDF here, which is user defined function using VBA macro. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, I have gone to developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here I am inserting one module, and I am writing my scripting here, which is function. I am saying GetNum as GetNum, and within, guys, after GetNum, I am starting my parenthesis and taking one variable which is StrIn as string, closing this and passing the parameter as string. Now I am saying dim ObjRegex set, taking this variable, and I am saying equals to create object. I am creating one object here, guys, and here I am writing, means if we create some object, then we need to use VB such kind of functionality, script I'm sorry .regexp, close your double quotation. So vbscript.regexp. Watch this video very carefully, guys, because every part of this video is very important in order to solve this particular problem. Now I am taking this variable, copying this variable, and I am saying I am using with keyword here, with block. I am saying dot global equals to true, dot pattern, which pattern I am looking for. So guys, one very important thing here, pattern. So equals to, I am using a very special thing here, so just keep this in mind. So I am saying, first of all, I am using this special character, then using one slash, then D, closing this bracket, and then using this plus sign and closing my double quotation. Now I am just copying this and pasting here, and here I am using this replace function, and within this replace function I am putting in this variable now. vbNullString, and then I can close my with block. So this is all about, guys. This is only a 4-5 liner code, but this will resolve all your problems. So let me just test this. If I go back to my Excel sheet and try using this function which I have just created, means GetNum. Let me just copy this. You can directly use GetNum as well. So we have, means this function has started showing here. So I will start my parenthesis and will give the reference of this one. Let me now check if I am getting the desired result, guys. So you can see it has extracted this particular mobile number for me. Now if I drag this and if I want to check if it is extracting the number which is at the left hand position for me or not, so if I drag this, you can see it has done the same thing for me. So if I drag this formula all through the way down, I have got my desired result, guys. It has extracted the mobile number for me. So using this method, you can extract any numerical value from a text string, no matter it is at the mid or at the start or at the end, guys. So for your convenience, what I will do is I will put in this function in the description so that you could copy this particular function from there and use for your own purpose. And I will do one more thing. I will give you a link. Actually, it will be a Google Drive link. Using that link, you can download this particular workbook from there so that you could have a look at this and you could create your own functionality and you could use this in your own real-time scenario. I hope you have found this video useful. If it is really so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new visitor at the very first time, then please watch other videos and share with your friends, guys. Thanks for watching. As of now, I'm signing off. I will soon create some useful video and will come back. Signing off, guys. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind.